to be. You've been soaking so long, your head's hanging down, your face stuck in a frown. Well, listen, baby, I'm done trying to keep it together and wondering whether I'm right or I'm wrong. And all I need is a song. Let's sing it together for now or forever. Yeah, baby, it's on tonight. 'Cause life is a party and the world is a dance floor. Everybody, everybody live it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is a party, so let's get what we came for. Everybody, everybody live it, 'cause the world is a dance floor.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog, another day here in Singapore. And we've been staying here in Orchard at the hotel. And so, napakalapit lang namin dito sa Ion. I'm currently at Ion, dito sa basement sa my food court. Here, I'm ordering my new favorite, the signature minced pork noodle. Ito siya and dry soup. So look at how much yung sahog niya. Oh, may pork, merong egg, merong daing na pusit, meron siyang meatballs, tapos ano to? Meron pang parang fried dumpling, may minced pork, tapos dry soup siya, pero with vinegar and chili. Then may kasama pa siyang soup. I got chili with soy and vinegar. Yeah, and that is $9, 9 SGD. Iced lemon tea. Perfect pair for the noodles. So I came down here to eat my new favorite minced pork noodle na una ko ring natikman dito sa Ion maybe last week. When I used to live here in Singapore, for some reason I haven't tried this one. Kasi at the time naman, hindi pa ako that adventurous. At the time, hindi pa talaga din ako mahilig sa noodles. Kain tayo. Tapos din ng soup. Okay, so here we go. Tuloyin muna natin. Dami rin ng noodles na and ako personally, hindi ako ganun kahilig sa noodles, pero gusto ko yung maraming sahog para mas enjoy kumain pag marami kang mga ginuhuli-huling sahog. And meron din pala siyang liver. Okay, so first bite natin with liver. May minced meat din siya sa loob. Oh my God. Actually, kahit na may vinegar siya, hindi ganun kaasim yung vinegar. So, there's a hint lang ng vinegar. Tapos, it's more on, yeah, I feel like meron siyang kanapin and vinegar and probably some, a little bit of soy sauce and then the chili. Okay, now let's try the egg. Ganito kung maraming sahog, kung mayroon kang meatballs, more liver, maraming kasama ng liver. Yung palang pusit, hindi ko pa nag-eat. This one. Dried pusit nga. Ang liit lang, pero napakalasa. Yan, the dried pusit. Meatballs. And the aftermath, super satisfying. And look, at 4 p.m. Monday dito sa Singapore, dito lang sa Ion, dami pa rin kumakain. The whole day, any time of the day. Laging may mga kumakain. Yeah, yun ang napansin ko dito. Sa dami ng mga kainan dito sa Singapore, anywhere. May mga hawker, may mga food court, mga restaurant. For some reason, especially peak time lunch and dinner, halos lahat may kumakain. Walang empty restaurant. Walang empty food court. Hawker especially, parang any time of the day, 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., ganyan, laging may laman. Kaya sabi ko nga parang, hindi ba ito mga Singapore yan? Wala na silang ginawa kundi kumain. That was a joke. But of course, maraming mga foreigners. And then, as what I know, Singaporeans also do sometimes light cooking. So, they do eat a lot outside, and especially on weekend, they do. Parang it's traditional for them to be eating out together as a family. now I'm on the way to Wheelock Place kasi I'm gonna check Starbucks kung merong bakante. I checked out Starbucks sa may Ayon kaso puno. So that's why I moved here. So today is Monday and mag-work na naman ako mamayang gabi. But I decided to start early na para marami na akong matapos. I'll just attend the meeting tonight, then maybe until 12 midnight lang ako para makatulog pa rin ako properly. So here's si Starbucks. Actually wala siya sa Wheelock pero via Wheelock lumabas ako doon. Ito pala, this is the first Starbucks in Singapore. Sana may maupuan ako sa loob. Punuan sa loob eh, so nag-save ako ng table doon. Dito na lang siguro ako sa labas. Okay, so dito na ako sa labas. Mukhang tapos naman ng umulan. I'm just hoping di na siya magbaksak ulit ng ulan. So I'm gonna start working right away. Buti na lang hindi mainit kasi umulan. Feels like 29 ngayon pero carry lang naman. I wanna head start with my work para pag meeting namin mamaya marami na akong natapos. Kaamo nitong dog na to. Tambay-tambay dito. Minsan nasa table ko. Hello! So this is my view right now working. It's currently 6 o'clock na. And so far I'm enjoying working here. Masarap yung weather ngayon, hindi mainit. Tapos mas lumalamig lalo kumahapon. I think the sunset here is mga 7 o'clock. So, mga 1 hour pa ako. Or maybe until I have battery. Kasi nakakarik ako sa cellphone ko. Yung cellphone ko kasi yung merong internet. Grabe, punong-puno pa rin sa loob. Oh. Look at this. Napalingon ako. Ang ganda nitong building ng Pan Pacific. So, this is a hotel. Ang ganda oh. Tapos may mga integrated din na mga tanim din sa building mismo. And then my hotel is just right here yung entrance. So, yun pala, yung hotel ko, Yotel. Yan. Kasi pag nandun ako sa kabila, hindi ko ito napapansin. Nagulan lang ako paglingon ko. Current time is 6:40. I'm enjoying my stay here. Super chill. And I really like the vibe here at Orchard. I'm taking a break once in a while, just watching the people walking, mga pauwi na from work. Ako, nagtatrabaho dito, pero chill lang naman. And I feel productive, which is nice. My sister is on the way na rin. Maybe pagdating niya, we're gonna go for dinner na. And then I will just continue my work dinner sa hotel. Okay, it's 7:20. So, going now for dinner. And so, we're back here at Ayon Food Court. Now we're here in grocery, just picking up a few items. So done with grocery, mga inumin lang. May robot ang magde-deliver ng sa room. Yoshi. Siya rin nag-deliver sa amin kanina. Okay, we're back in the hotel. Naglinis sila today. Pinalitan kaya yung bedsheet natin. So it's lunchtime again here in Singapore. And then I decided to go for Vietnamese lunch. Yeah, so I was going for this. Tapos yun yung sandwich. 7:20. Here's my pork belly banh mi. Tapos, this time naman lime juice naman ang in-order ko for a change. Then, nasi lemak naman sa kapatid ko. Bon appetit! Yeah, so I'm going for Thai dinner tonight. So, yun na. Yung aking pad thai na yung niluluto nila. So, yan siya. Pad thai. And then I partner with Thai ice. Yeah, here's the pad thai with shrimp. And then Thai iced tea. Kain tayo. Kami namin ko pa yung ano yun. Pagkakaluto sa wok. Hey guys, another day in Singapore. So it's my 3rd week na dito sa Singapore. And currently it's 10:30 in the morning. I decided to go out. Pupunta lang ako dyan sa nearby mall. Finished a lot of work last night, so I don't feel the need to go online this morning. Yeah, I have a hard time nang nakukulong din sa hotel. I really wanted to go out once in a while. Although everyday din naman ako lumalabas, like sometimes in the afternoon, pag magla-lunch, magdi-dinner. But yeah, I just wanna go around the Tangs Plaza Mall kasi maalala ko meron pala ako isang t-shirt na gustong bilhin before, nakalimutan ko na. So, I'm just gonna grab it now. So, yung pupuntahan kong mall, by the way, is dito lang. Tatawid lang ako dyan, pero sa underpass ako tatawid. And my hotel was just behind me. So far, super chill lang yung stay ko dito sa Singapore. Yes, of course, kasi natatali din ako ng working. And just enjoying time with my sister also. And enjoying the food most of the time. Yeah, and just exploring around the vicinity of my hotel. So, but right now, dito sa Orchard, hindi pa kami masyadong nakaikot-ikot kasi nga naging busy ako sa work. So, I think starting today, tomorrow, and the weekend. So I'm going to explore more of Orchard. Okay, so this is where I'm going. Tangs Plaza. Nakita ko yung access somewhere here before eh. Let me see. Okay, there you go. So this is the access to the other side. Ang galing talaga dito sa Singapore, no? Everything's interconnected, and then no matter how small the place, they maximize everything. I have a feeling diretso na to sa Tangs, but I chose to go this way para labas tayo sa street. Okay, Scott Square. And then here you go. I know this is Marriott's. And then connected din ang Tangs Plaza. Itong tower na to, I'm not sure kung part to ng Marriott. Pero ang ganda-ganda nito. Para siyang Chinese. Ang patawag dyan. Yan. So katapat niya lang yung Ion. Actually, the weather is quite nice today. The temperature is 29 degrees. Feels like 34. Pero it's not that hot yet. Maybe because umaga pa. Usually pag nagtanghalin at mataas na yung araw, doon talaga sobrang init. But at least it's not raining. Yeah, by the way, this is the stretch of Orchard and puro mall na nga yan. This is Ion, Wisma Atria, Takashimaya, itong kulay brown. And then, marami pa yan pag ganon sa Somerset na. So, in the coming days, gagalugadin namin yan. So, here, welcome to Tangs Plaza. Next to this is Lucky Plaza. Yan, napuntahan ng ating mga kababayan. Pwede natin silipin a bit later. Okay, let's go in. I wanna buy that t-shirt na. And then, let's go to the home section. Ang gaganda talaga ng mga dress dito sa Singapore, oh. Napakadaming options. So, nagre-range yung price. Merong 50 up to 300. So far, naghahanap ako ng good price. I like that one. Ayan, oh. Very colorful. Mga pang summer dress. Ano to, yung parang semi-denim cancel. Marami na rin ako mga nabiling dresses so far. Including yung mumurahing nabili ko sa Goodies. Pero, I'm still finding the one na magagamit ko sa graduation ng binata ko. And what's amazing here, majority ng mga to, mga local brands. Made locally. O, diba? Daming options. Oh my gosh, pinalitan na nila. Wala na yung cherries. Mukhang ito na lang natira. Nandito pa. Okay, this is the one. Biling ko na nga. Promise, biling ko na siya today. Medium yung size. I'm gonna ask for a larger one. Grabe naman. Parang 2 weeks ago ko lang ito nakita. Ubus na. Wala na nga large. Patulang ko ba yung medium? Papayat na lang ako. Ayan, nakabili ako ng Miffy. Yung pinabibili ng dalaga ko. Sakto nakita ko doon para in as much as I can, mabili ko lahat ng mga kailangan ko dito para makollect ko yung total receipt to 100 and then pwede akong mag-apply for GST refund na 9%. Ayan, hindi ako nakapag-film kasi napaka-friendly nung nag-assist sa akin, nakapagkwentuhan lang about sa toys nga. And then nakipagkwentuhan na tungkol sa anak niya na mahilig din daw sa stuff toys like Gen Z nowadays, di ba? Kahit na malalaki na mga sisipag-stuff toys pa din. So yeah, super friendly din ang mga staff dito sa Singapore. Pag sa shopping, talagang ina-assist ka. And nakikipagkwentuhan talaga sila. And they find it interesting also when they ask like, where you from? Tapos pag sinabi kong Canada, nagiging interesante sila. Ayan, syempre, nandito na naman ako sa section na to, mga teacups and gusto kong bilhin. Kaya lang wala akong space sa luggage talaga. Yan o. Kaso mabigat din eh. Ito magaanggang. Pero pag sinama mo tong tipat niya, o syempre mabigat na. It's more of hero. Actually ako, maski nung bata pa ako, mga college student, mahilig na ako maglibot-libot sa home section ng SM. For some reason, naaliw ako, nare-relax ako dito. Kaya hindi ko kailangan bilhin, kita ko lang sila. Ganyan. Ito yung binili kong wok. Mas mahal dito, oh. 79 dito. Dun sa Bugis, 50 lang. Ito yung last na binili ko para umabot ng 100 para makapag GST refund ako. My problem though, yung SD arrival card ko, parang hindi yata na today. Pero anyway, within the day naman. So babalik na lang ako umayang hapon for the GST refund. Okay, so I'm done here at Tangs. Lilipat ako dito sa Ion at magla-lunch na. Siyempre, balik tayo dito sa food hall ng Ion. Maghanap na lang ako ng mo-orderan dito. Madami namang options. Sa pa bang hindi ko na-try? This one, I wanted to try this last time. Mukhang sarap, diba? With meat and vegetable. Parang gusto ko rin yung okra. Let's see. Yun, rendang and okra yung in-order ko. So, here's my lunch at Ion. Siyempre, dito pa rin sa Ion. Paborito ko yung okra at saka beef rendang. Ayan, legit na beef rendang. And, yan, nagkape na ako kanina pero I want another coffee. So, coffee C, $2. Ito, $8.90. So, kapag yung mga community na hawker, yun talaga yung mura. Kapag sa mga mall, lalo pag yung medyo high-end na mall, like sa MBS, dito rin sa Ion, medyo mahal na konti. So, parang pinakamura na yata na bili ko dito is $6. About $6.50 na simpleng small size na chicken rice. Yeah. Anyways, masarap naman ang food. So, I think it's worth it. Excited to try the rendang. With okra. Perfect combination of sauce. Kain po tayo. Miss ko to. Then size-wise ng food, tama-tama lang. Hindi ka sobrang bundat. So I'm done eating. Dito required na ang mag-return ng trays. So meron doon sa dulo. So just here, walking a bit kasi kakakain lang. And I'm feeling a bit sleepy kasi nga 2:30 in the morning na ako natulog. And then I think I wake up around 7:30. So that's only 5 hours of sleep. So I feel like I'm gonna need to take a nap this afternoon para I will be productive later on when I wake up until midnight for another work Thursday of Canada. Right now it's Thursday afternoon na dito sa Singapore. Sarap ng mga cake, huh? So I'm back here at Isitan sa show house near my hotel. Gusto ko pang mag-ikot-ikot saglit. Parang gusto kong magtingin ulit ng mga dresses. Actually, I came up here first sa my home section ng Isitan because I'm looking for yung container sana ng chili oil. May nakita ko kanina sa Tangs, kaya lang ano kasi siya, yung souvenirs, napakamahal, $59. Alam niyo yung parang container siya na may takip, tapos may suotan na ng yung kutsarita niya o may kasama na siyang kutsarita na ganyan. Lagyan ng hot chili oil. May mga sale items sila ngayon dito sa Isitan. Dami nilang sale. Sa Tangs, wala ganong sale ngayon eh. So yun, makaka-score kapag yung ganito. Parang gusto ko itong mga lunchbox na to. Itong stainless. So, how much? $3.20 and this one, $3.50. Oh, shucks. I think I'm gonna get it. Kahit taguan lang ng mga tirang ulam. Ayan, there you go. Imagine niyo. Gang lang siya. It's my cover, $3.50. So, I'm gonna get these 3. Ayan, so here we go. Kailangan na natin ng basket. Hanap pa ako kung meron pa akong mabibiling super sale na kailangan ko sa bahay na magang lang. Parang ganito yung hinahanap ko. Although, yung gusto ko yung may butas na dito. Tapos nakalusot na yung spoon. And then, gusto ko rin ng rice scoop. Okay, hindi siya nakasale. Sige, okay na yan. Ganda ng mga Le Creuset, oh. Pero mas mahal dito yung Le Creuset. Mas mura sa Canada. Hindi ko pa rin mahanap yung hinahanap ko. ko. The coffee makers, tumblers. Bakit kaya hindi common dito ang ano, lagyan ng chili oil? Siguro sa market or yung sa mga community market, maybe doon makikita. Wala, ito na yung closest na nakikita ko. Naka-sale from $18.90 to $10. Okay, di bale na muna. Meron pa naman akong 1.5 week dito. Kaya nagtanong na ako dun sa isang nagbabantay. And just so happy na kabayan natin. Sabi niya, wala nga daw ditong chili oil container. At tingin daw ako sa mga HDB. Yung mga tindahan na malapit doon. By the way, meron akong gustong bilhin dito. Ito nakasale siya stove. $200 na lang. From $339. Mahal din yan sa Canada. Mga 3 something yata. Kaya 4 kilograms yung bigat niya. So, it's a no. So, done paying. Tingin lang ako saglit ng mga dress. Ayan. So, nagtingin-tingin na ako. Siguro meron akong mga 5 choices ng dresses. Although, hindi pa ako nagsukat. When I have the time, susukat ko sila. Ongoing pala yung cleaning sa room namin. Schedule silang magpalit ng bedsheet eh. So, dito, every 2 days, nagpapalit sila ng bedsheet. And then, every day, nagpapalit ng towel, pati yung water, nagde-deliver. Every day, kinukuha yung basura. So, maganda yung kanilang maintenance service. Okay, I'm back here in the hotel. Yan, nagpalit nga sila ng bedsheet. Tapos, naglinis. And okay, going to rest muna and then work again later. By the way, ito, may mga restaurants. Paglabas mo lang ng hotel, that's another one. Ito, another restaurant again. So, yeah, walang katapusang restaurant. Dito sa loob, merong Kilini. Sa gilid lang dito, merong Guardian. And then dito, merong TCC for coffee and desserts. Ayan, tapos meron siyang extension dito sa harap. And then dito lang sa harap, merong Guardian where you can buy medicines, some toiletries, ganyan. Look at this. And there's another one here. So I'm back here at Tangs. It's 7 p.m. Para i-apply ko na yung GST. Doon sa pinamili ko kaninang tanghali. So I just went back to the hotel a while ago to work a bit and rested a bit. Napagod din ako mag-ikot-ikot kanina. So here we go. Let's go to Tangs. They have robot cleaning. Application for GST refund is at 4th floor here at Tangs Plaza. It is a customer service. Yeah, here you go. Right here. Yeah, this is the SG arrival. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, done. Look at this. This is Tangs Plaza noong 1982. So here's Orchard at night. So I'm going back to Ayon. I'm going to meet my sister at magdi-dinner kami. We're gonna try again the tempura tonight. Hopefully this time, well, I do expect baka may pila pa rin, but we'll try. We'll try na makakain ng tempura tonight. So every meal, I'm trying different foods para matry ko lahat. Yeah, I don't know. This might be my last hurrah in Singapore na. Yeah, after 1 month of staying here, I don't think I'm gonna be visiting Singapore anytime soon unless there's really important. Or siguro kapag yung mga anak ko dito na siguro magtrabaho, magstay, ganyan. Back to Ayon Food Hall and turn to the right. Pag turn sa right, nandun yung gusto kong kainan. Here you go. May pila pa rin pero at least hindi kasing haba kaninang tanghali. Okay, pila na ako. Finally, may table na kami. So, parang mga nag-antay rin kami ng mga 10 minutes, ha? 10 minutes. Yeah. And meron pala silang complimentary water. Sinerve na yung aming takoyaki. So, here's our food. Tempura. May kasama siyang soup. Kain tayo. May kasama rin siyang prawn. And I also like vegetable tempura. In fairness, masarap yung food nila kaya pala mahabang pila. Okay, so it's Friday night and nandito kami sa Ayon, sa labas. Because we are planning to go upstairs. Meron daw restaurant yata sa taas wherein you can view 360 or I don't know, basta makita mo yung view from the top. Makita mo ang orchard. So, pasok tayo dito from the outside. Going upstairs. And then we're going to level 4. Yeah, so this is where we're going. It's called Ion Sky. 55th floor. Here's the Ion Sky. Pag turn right from the elevator, so ito na yung makikita. So here you go. So sakto, it's sunset right now, although a bit hazy. Kanina umaga pa hazy. What are we seeing? Orchard? No. May paakyat pa. I think there's still a way more to see from here na walang blockage. Yun, nakatago na sa cloud yung sun. I'm seeing Four Seasons. This is Four Seasons Hotel. Oh, ang Orchard Road is somewhere here, this one. Yeah, kasi this is the Pan Pacific building. Maraming mga landed homes doon. No? Yan ang mababa. Mamahalin yung mga yan for sure. Then, from here, so, nakikita pala yung hotel namin. That one, yung kulay brown. That is the hotel. And then, may mga signage like this. If you read this, McCritchie Reservoir. So, that means on this, on this side, nandyan yung reservoir. And then, that is the Orchard Road. Then, also, from here, so dito daw, banda yan ang Singapore Botanic Gardens. Then, this angle, north. So, nandyan ang Johor, Malaysia. Oh, no. Merong building up na rain, oh. Mamaya ulan. And itong nakikita na to, this is Scotts Road. This is Tangs Plaza. That one. And then katapat niya, Show House. Oh yeah, that's the Show House. Yung merong mga halaman sa tuktok. And yung hotel namin. Look at that, oh. Yung patch na to, ang daming puno. Ano kaya yan? And then behind Tangs Plaza, ang dami palang mga landed house doon, no? And more condos and buildings behind. Actually, merong restaurant dito. This one, tong Atiko. Yan, na merong viewing. But this area is open for public for viewing. Sakto naman namin pagpunta namin dito yung sunset. So, enjoy namin yung sunset ng mga 5 minutes siguro. Ganyan. It's nice. So, beside Tangs is Lucky Plaza. And then, sa bandang likod niya lang nandyan yung, ito yung hospital ng St. Elizabeth. Yung merong helipad, and then the building, and among other buildings here. Ito yung ME yung logo, I think. Maybe that's Mount Elizabeth. Pero, ito naalala ko. So, yung one time na hospitalized ako before. And dyan. Okay, so dinner time na kami. We're done here. Ito na, Ion Sky. Pero ang taas sa 55th floor. So, we're going down na. Punta kami ng, ayun ba tayo magdi-dinner? Tingnan din namin. Lakad na bed. Okay, so after some deliberation, hindi na muna kami mag-aayon. We're going to Lucky Plaza. Try namin kumain doon. Either mag-Shakey's or Tapa King. Try natin Filipino food tonight. So from Ion, we're gonna use the Orchard Lane para lumipat papuntang Lucky Plaza. So sa kabila kasi yun, patawid ng Orchard Road. Okay, so we're gonna turn right here. This Tangs Plaza. Since may pathway dito, diretso na tayo. Paglabas natin doon, Lucky Plaza na. So there's Lucky Plaza, doon tayo papunta. Ayun, and may Jollibee agad doon sa may baba. Yeah, so at least tonight is Thursday, so I'm not expecting na matao. Pero if you're here on a Sunday, naku talagang jam-pack. Kasi dito ang talagang puntahan ng mga kababayan natin na nagtatrabaho dito. Tapos pag day off nila ng Sunday, talagang majority of them nandito. And this is Jollibee. So dito kami dadaan. Mag-escalator kami. Tapos marami mga mabibiling murang mga damit. $5, $3, $8. Souvenirs. Mga jewelries. Yung food court nasa baba. Oh, there you go. Shakey's na pala agad to eh. And then, Filipino food stalls too. It's Asian Food Mall. So, Shakey's. Tapos bagong bukas pala si Andox. Meron din silang your local favorites, chicken rice. Sila ayun, lechon Pinoy. Doon kami bumili dati ng lechon deli. Then here merong JT's Manukan Grill. Oh, bagong bukas lang, di ba? November pa. I see.
Ito ma'am, bestseller namin.
Quarter lechon. Magkano yan?
Ma'am, bali, ito po ang price niya.
7?
9.30 ma'am pag may drinks na siya.
Pag may drinks. 7.30. Okay.
Pero with rice na po siya.
With
ma'am.
rice, yeah. Oh, fried to, no?
Lechon ma'am.
Ay, lechon.
Yan po
Tama,
yung specialty
lechon.
namin.
Tama,
May bundle
tama.
tayo ma'am, baka gusto niyo pong matry.
Dalawa lang kami.
Super hot ma'am, pwede rin po tayo mag-super hot.
Okay. Ayan, so ito yung menu nila dito sa Andox Lechon. Ito naman, I wanna try Shakey's because I haven't tried this for a very long time. Maski nung uwi akong Pilipinas. Let's see kung anong order natin. Bunch of lunch, ito yun, ano? Tapos may kasama na siyang drinks. So, sige, ito ako, bunch of lunch. Yung JT's Manukan pala dito kay Joel Torre. Ito yung lagi kong ino-order dati, yung kompleto na sa meron na siyang spaghetti. Merong chicken and gravy. Tapos merong Hawaiian pizza. Oh, in fairness, 2 slices. Tapos merong bread and 2 mojos. Yung dati hindi ko na maalala kung gaano kadami, pero mukha naman siyang madami. And ito naman yung Andox Lechon na bagong open lang dito noong November daw, no? So, rice lang. And then yung kanilang specialty na lechon and gravy. Kain po tayo. So, Filipino food tayo this time. Yeah, after more than 2 weeks of eating Singaporean, Malaysian, Thai foods, of course, we'll try naman Filipino food here in Singapore. Actually, may Tapa King. Hindi ko nakita. Nasaan si Tapa King? Sa dulo? Oh. Oo nga. Nakalimutan ko i-check si Tapa King. Favorite ko din yung Tapa King, yung manghang. Hindi ko na-harvest. Yeah, more than 15 years ko na itong dinatry. Ever since I left the Philippines. Favorite ko yung kanilang mojo. Hindi na siya maalat. Hindi siya maalat. Hindi sa December na naalala ko medyo maalat. Pero okay din. Miss ko to. Yan, Hawaiian pizza. Fried chicken with gravy. In fairness, juicy siya. Try natin si si lechon. Tapos ito yung kanyang gravy. Basar sa. Yung gravy niya, yung typical, manamis-namis, sarsa. And then this is Tapa King dito sa Lucky Plaza. So ito si Tapa King, 750. Pero ang gusto ko yung spicy and sweet. Nabusog naman kami. So next time, gusto kong itry din yung Tapa King dito. Gusto kong matry yung Tapa Queen. Isa yun sa mga matagal natin hindi nakain. Magadiso. Pagka nagsasarado na yung kain, talagang naglilinis sila. Remittance. Marami dito mga remittance. Okay, so ito yung value dollar para equivalent ng Dollarama natin sa Canada. Mga mura lang oh. $1.85. Mga chocolates dito mura. Yan, just walking a bit down here at Orchard Road. That's Takashimaya. Lakad-lakad lang muna kasi nabusog kaming kumain. So we're here at Paragon because I just wanna go quickly sa Metro. Doon na lang muna mag-ikot-ikot. May art gallery na naman sila. Oh, ang gaganda. Galing. Linda Gallery. Mga sculptures. It's really nice. Wow. Then ang chair and table parang made of icicles. Here we go, Metro. Kaya tayo. Come to Metro. Here you go. I just want to check out the dresses too. Para later on makapag-decide na ako kung saan ako bibili ng dress. Kung dito or sa Tangs or sa Isitan. May mga sale items sila o 70% off. That's what I like here. Yan ang gaganda ng dress. This one, parang bet ko to. You know, maganda siya. Medyo semi-Filipiniana ang dating for me. Pwede siyang pang-casual, pwede siyang pang-formal. You know, more sale items from 39 to 79. This one's also that one. And then this one naman, oh, pang-summer dress. Kung gusto mo ng makulay. Oh, gusto ko siya may giraffe. Tapos mga flowers. Ay, maganda rin. Oh, happy color. Nice. Yeah, this is what I love looking for dress here in Singapore kasi ang dami-daming options. So, naikot ko na siya. Mukhang mas maraming dresses, mas maraming options for dresses sa Isetan. Dito, may mga ilan akong nagustuhan din. Pero, okay, I'll think about it. I'll just have to set some time to try on the clothes. Baka kumuha ko ng dalawang dresses. Maybe isa sa Isetan, maybe isa dito. Let's see. Look at this. Sabi ko, bakit may tumutunog? Ayan, ang galing naman. May mechanism. Bumubuka, sumasara. Nagbo-bloom yung flower. Ang galing mo ba? Look at that. Ito din. Oh, look at that. Talaga naman nag-effort pa sila. Just for decor, diba? Bongga naman. Yeah, so here's the front of Paragon. Katapat niya ang Takashimaya. So we're back in the hotel and working time again. So I'm usually working until 2 in the morning. Still busy at work. Maraming tinatapos. So yeah, work muna.